Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a common engine problem that can occur. If you're new to this channel, please scroll down, hit that subscribe button, and leave a like. Now, let's dive right in. For me, the problem occurs during cold starts and sometimes disappears when the engine warms up. However, for some people, it might be a constant sound. If your car sounds like this, it could be a faulty water pump. If you're a bit handy, you can change it yourself. It's not that complicated. If you found this video useful, please scroll down and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.